I didn't realize Jet had a shaper.
In case you've never listened to this show before, we're talking about Woodcraft. Sorry, Woodcraft. We're talking about you, but we've not yet mentioned your name.
Oh, I didn't say Woodcraft?
No, none of us did.
Most people know.
You said all
folks.
the power tool brands, except for the story you're talking about.
Most people know
These folks, Woodcraft.
Yeah, they know what's up. Yeah, we're talking about Woodcraft here. So just as an aside, if you're in the market for a shaper, go check them out at Woodcraft. They got like a ton of brands that you can check out. That's cool. Good to know. I'm just surprised. I didn't realize Jet had an entry in the market. It's about $2,300, 1.5 horsepower, single phase. And it's a pretty small, like not a big footprint. It's actually looks smaller than a router table. That's kind of interesting.
The thing you're about to announce is a router table giveaway.
No.
Yeah. Well, maybe next month Woodcraft will give away a shaper.
We're going from a mini turning set, 5-piece tool set to a $5,000 shaper.
Oh, that escalated quickly.
Man, Woodcraft's up in their game. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
Oh, man. All right. Well, speaking of router tables, we talked about JessEm last month. Well, guess what? It's still something that's going to... I always have to be careful of the dates and when we record and publish, but this is something that will be happening after you hear this show. The next 2-day demo event at Woodcraft is October 17th and 18th, featuring JessEm. Demos at 11 a.m. on Friday and 1 p.m. on Saturday. They're also going to be showing off other JessEm tools throughout both days. Attendees will be able to enter for a chance to win a JessEm prize package or a $100 Woodcraft gift card. No purchase necessary. Plus, enjoy 15% off all JessEm products during the event, just so you can get started on that next project. Now, here's the thing. The grand prize is not a shaper. It's what we seem to prefer to a shaper, and that is a router table package. A beautiful, outfitted, ultimate router table package from JessEm. That's the PowerTech. Is that what it's? Yeah, PowerTech. I love it when companies do that. Router motor with a remote switch, dual intake dust box, hose adapter kit, and a PowerTech router motor. So that whole thing valued at about $3,000. Second prize is valued at $239. That's their clear cut table saw stock guides and the RipStik. Look, I said something about this last time. And I listened back to the show, and I'm like, I complained about it, and I never looked up what the heck the RipStik is. So here's the thing. When you use the clear stock guides, they tend to be pretty close to the fence, right? Because the whole idea is they sit on top of the work. They're actually fantastic, but they sit on top of the work, and it leaves you with a very, very skinny gap that if you're trying to push something through, you have a little bit of difficulty getting that piece all the way through under those rollers. So it is a very unique, long, like horizontal stick that allows, and it is a push stick, but it allows you to get between the roller and the fence. Specifically designed. I'm not going to make fun of it because now I think it's cool. And every store, as a bonus prize, will have one of the JessEm router lifts available. So this is October 17th and 18th. You guys don't want to miss this. Find your local Woodcraft store and get your butt over there. Go watch those demos and enter for a chance to win these awesome prizes.